And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Here's what's for dinner tonight, my darlings. We've got some yellow and green beans. They're from the garden, our garden. And we also have some cherry tomatoes that are also from our garden. And we got some blue cheese. So I'm going to take these items and make something hopefully yummy and good. So I have a few shrimp that I thought I would just use up as well for this. And we've got the pasta in there. The beans are cooked in there. And now I'm going to put it all together. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Here's how it turned out. Those are our yellow and green beans from the garden and our cherry tomatoes. And like I said, I had a little bit of shrimp left, so I thought I'd put that on there. And then I made like a pesto, but it was a pesto with spinach, not basil, instead for the sauce. And then I put some blue cheese crumbles in there as well. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Can't wait to get into this. Yum. So we're at Swiss Chalet again, having their awesome Caesar salad. Water with lemon. A quick, easy lunch idea. Do tuna melts. Get a can of tuna, put your mayo in, or whatever kind of sauce you like into your tuna, pickles or whatever, and put it on. Usually I use English muffins, but today I'm just using some bread, and I'm going to put on a cheese slice, like so, and then I'm going to stick it under the broiler in my oven. So, I think it's ready. Yes, it is. There we go. And there you have it. And this would be good with a dill pickle on the side, but sadly I don't have any at the moment. So I put some cherry tomatoes. Yum, yum, yum. And I'm going to cut it in half. And there's my tuna melt, my darlings. Yum, yum, yum. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. A piece of fish with tartar sauce that I just made. Tartar sauce is very easy. Just some mayo and relish and mix it together. And the beans that you're looking at are from our garden. And I have some radishes there. And I made some mashed potatoes. So that is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. For dinner tonight, I'm going to try to make my own macaroni salad. So I got this little bag of macaroni. Elbow macaroni, I guess. And I've chopped up some radishes, and these green peppers are from our garden. And I'm also going to fry up some yellow peppers as well. Just kind of roast them a bit. And then I got the water boiling over there to put on my pasta. So there's my macaroni. It's cooked and cooled, and if you want an easy way of cooling macaroni, just when you strain it, just use cold water to strain it, and it cools down faster. And like I said, I've got green peppers from our garden, yellow peppers that I roasted, and some radishes there. If I had carrot, I'd put it in. You can put whatever you want, vegetables like celery, onion. I also did a fresh chopped garlic in here I put, because we love garlic. And now I'm just going to do the sauce, and that'll be our macaroni salad. So feel free to put whatever you want in it. So this is what I'm using for my dressing. Some coleslaw, creamy coleslaw dressing, pepper, salt, a little lemon juice, a little Dijon mustard, And I only have this Red Lobster seasoning because I don't have any like garlic salt or powder or anything like that jazz. So just to give a little bit of flavor. So here's what the sauce looks like. So there's what the sauce looks like. I'm going to put it on the salad and mix it up and stick it in the fridge. So it can get tasty good with all the delicious spices and everything. So there, it's all tossed up, looking yummy. I'm going to cover it with one of those coverings from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it in the fridge so we can have it for our dinner. These cover up things I'm going to use to put over this, to put it in the fridge. You get these at the Dollar Tree. So yum, yum, yum. Here's some of our cherry tomatoes from our garden. My hubby grew these. And we're going to have so many more, so I'm just going to cook them down into a spaghetti sauce. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Yes, we're having a pogo stick, some beets that are over here, and my macaroni salad that I made. You'll have seen some of that prep ahead of time. I don't normally eat these corn dog pogo things. I get them for my hubby. He likes them now and then for a snack. But he's kind of not liking them so much anymore, so I'm probably not going to buy them anymore. But we kind of need to eat them up since we did buy a box. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Macaroni. Oh my gosh, can't wait.